Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave a review on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on trips or past trips. Here you will see your past and upcoming bookings. Find the trip you just finished or you want to review. Tap on it, scroll down until you see the option to leave a review. Tap on it to start writing your review. First, give a star rating from 1 to 5. 5 stars means excellent and 1 star means poor. Write a few sentences about your stay, what you like, anything that could be better, or special things the host did. Keep it honest and helpful. When you are done, tap submit. Your review will be sent to the host and shown to the future guest. And that's it. You have just left a review on Airbnb mobile app using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.